What is up, guys? Son of Canadian Rider. We're here at the Cadillac Signature Tour. We're seeing the Cadillac Lyriq. You guys know I just put my deposit on the reservation for the 2024 model. They're in Toronto and their first stop. We're gonna go ahead and actually see it in person for the first time. Haven't seen it yet. Let's go ahead and see how it looks. The rear looks great. Pretty beefy rear. Coming around, and this is in this silver. This is the 20-inch wheels that they have with this car. It's bigger than I thought. I have to say, it is bigger than I thought. It looks really, really good. Let's come over to the side. You see these handles. You push and then you pull to open. We're gonna kind of examine that. Come over to the front. Again, the big wheels and then the entire front end here. And wow, this looks really, really good. I love the LED treatment they've done. You obviously have the vertical lines on the headlights here. Looks really, really solid. If you come over here, you kind of see that. They have the kind of light show already set up. A little bit of a lip spoiler here. Again, the Cadillac vertical lines. This beautiful light show. And they're doing things a lot with the lighting of this car as well. Of course, this has the frunk, but there's no frunk in this vehicle, so there's no additional storage on the front. It's all gonna be in the back. We come around here again, you see these nice creases and these nice lines. Honestly, just off first impressions, you know, videos and pictures can only tell you so much, but it is a nice SUV type of car. It's very big, considering you're gonna get, again, 503 kilometers of range. So that was one of the Achilles heels that I wanted to kind of like get over, especially in Canadian winters. This car does come with a heat pump. So unlike some other electric cars that don't come with a heat pump, every single model of the Lyriq comes with a heat pump. So you have the heat pump, you have the 503 kilometers of range, and then in terms of charging, you can go ahead and charge this. You get about 83 kilometers in an hour of charging at a level 2 charger. That's 19.2 kilowatts. And if you're at a fast charging station, 190 kilowatts of charging, you can get over 120 kilometers of charge in just under 10 minutes. So you have a lot of performance and charging capabilities here. And you come over the back, you kind of see this, I'm gonna say iconic or ionic, but that's Hyundai. But you have this really great LED kind of treatment here over to the back end of the car. And then again, in some other videos I've talked about, there's a lot of storage that you're gonna go ahead and see. But again, it is pretty aggressive and beefy. I like what they've done here with the rear end. And again, lots of storage capacity as well. So let's go ahead and check out the inside, which every single part on this car on the inside is completely bespoke to the Lyriq, which is really exciting. So you're supposed to press this, the door opens, and you check out the inside. Wow, just like right off the bat, this is impressive looking. Like really, pictures and videos on YouTube don't do justice. I'll try to make a little bit more justice here, but it looks really, really good. Wow, look at that 33-inch LED display. That is the biggest in the industry. It's one pane of glass, one display. It looks really good. Let's go ahead and take a seat in here for a second. Oh, wow. Oh my God. So this is really nice. The seats right away feel very comfortable, very soft leather seats. Love that. The big star of the show here is this 33-inch LED display, massive display. It looks stunning. Super Cruise technology is embedded with this car, available as optional. Again, everything here is completely bespoke. Look at these little vents. Look at that detail here. Attention to detail, and even the vent knobs, these are really cool. Again, it is obviously all touchscreen here. You have kind of your infotainment system here in front of you. Everything here over the right in terms of settings and abilities. What I like about this car, again, is that it's not just, and what I'm gonna do is show you, it's all these buttons. You still have a collection of buttons everywhere, from the memory seat functions to the Windows functions to the HVAC controls in the center of the console. It's actually all here for you in this car. Lots of storage down below here as well. And you have this nice little crown jewel piece here for your navigation and, you know, adjusting settings in the menu. 2 cup holders here. They have a little opening here for cup holders with the handle. I think that's nice. And then a whole bunch of storage kind of all in here as well. So wireless charging capability, USB-C, 12 volt, all in here. Looks really nice. And then of course, look behind me, you have this huge glass roof that spans. I actually love this, and it does retract, so you can completely have it retracted. If it gets too hot, too sunny, you can go ahead and bring that back. But why don't you come over on the other side and let's check out everything else on this interior. It looks really, really good. So you come in here again, lots of these controls, HVAC controls as well. dash. So I love the fact that they've gone ahead and done that with the touchscreen, with the dash here. Again, all of this in terms of storage, you have a lot more storage coming in here because the battery technology, the Ultium battery technology is down below. But it really does look really, really good. The interior, I'm very impressed. Everything here is very bespoke to the Lyriq. The seats look great. You can obviously see here as well, you have the speakers also in the headrests here. The AKG sound system is a premium option on this car. It's gonna be great. We're gonna hear it very soon. But I just wanna say, again, thanks to Cadillac and the team for bringing us in here for this kind of event and checking out this car. This is something, again, like I'm looking at it, I'm glad I have the reservation on it. It looks beautiful. The Super Cruise is gonna be a great feature. Again, more storage in here. That's pretty cool. So there's a lot of storage in this car, front, rear. You can go ahead and see the rear as well. Definitely more room than normal, you would think, from a crossover, which is awesome. But we're gonna be talking more about this car. Again, there's so many great things. If you wanna go ahead, follow me along on this journey, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment box down below. But this car really, I think, is gonna be one of the best value luxury EVs that you can buy in the market at about $70,000 Canadian. I definitely think it offers better value in totality than the Ioniq 5, for example, from Hyundai. The interior quality, the exterior is definitely a notch above.